guys, this video I'm going to be telling you guys the squishy package I ordered from Wish. And I ordered it today, so when it comes, I'll show you guys, but I just wanted to tell you that I ordered a package. And this is like March. So I'll come in March. But I just wanted to show you guys my squishy collection. No, not all my squishies, but like 2, 3, 4, 5, like that many. I have some of my squishies in this bag. This is my squishy bag. And then I have this squishy, but like when I squish it, like it starts getting ripped. Like over here, there's already ripped. Whatever. It's really slow rising. Like really. And then I have a squishy blind bag. A squishy blind bag. And yeah, I have this big one. Then I have the mini bread. And I ordered one like this, but like it's like a big one. Yeah, and it's real. And I'm super excited about the package. If you are, like this video, comment down below what squishies you think I got. And yeah. And then I have this. It's one of my favorites. Go watch my top 10 favorite videos. Some videos I post, they don't get like uploaded. So that one does. And this one does too. And then I have this one. It's from Dollar Tree. Scented really good. And then I have this mango. It's supposed to be a like orange, but I already have an orange, so I'll just make a mango. It is pretty slow, isn't like. Yeah, and today I want to like make a different video today about like how to make these squishies. I'm gonna make like a mini one of this for ones that like to see. And guys, give me suggestions what videos you want me to do. Oh, and this one's super slow rising. Ready? That's my friend's name over here, and then this is my name. I don't know if she wants her name to be shown in my video, but whatever. It's still rising. Like, wow. Like this one, wow. It's like, has a wow factor. That one was like my second, third squishy I made. And this one, I don't know. It's a strawberry. It's like super slow rising. And then this one. And tell me which one was your favorites. And now it's just like quite squish.